Most people think they're giving compliments, but honestly, they're doing it completely wrong. And instead of building connection, they make the other person uncomfortable or suspicious. Let's fix that. A well-given compliment can make someone trust you faster, open up to you, and remember you for years. But only if you understand the psychology behind how human ego, validation, and social instincts actually work. Let's break it down without sugarcoating anything. Why most compliments fail. Most compliments fail for one simple reason. They're vague, lazy, or self-serving. People say, "You look nice, good job, you're so smart." These sound positive, but emotionally they're empty. Why? Because the other person can't feel what you noticed. There's no identity confirmation, no emotional resonance, no personal meaning. If someone can't see themselves in your compliment, it bounces off their brain like a useless notification. A strong compliment taps directly into three human psychological needs: the need for recognition, the need for uniqueness, the need for identity validation. Let's discuss it separately. The need for recognition. People want to be seen for effort, not just results. Complimenting effort shows real attention, not superficial flattery. Example. Most people quit after one try. You didn't. That's impressive. This hits far deeper than, "You're hardworking." The need for uniqueness. Everyone wants to believe they have something rare. When your compliment highlights what others usually miss, the brain flags it as genuine. Example. You listen without interrupting. Most people pretend to listen. You actually do. It feels personal because it is. The need for identity validation. The strongest compliments confirm who someone thinks they are, or wants to be. Example. You give people a sense of calm. Not many can do that. You're reinforcing a part of their personality they value. That makes it powerful. A compliment given at the wrong moment feels manipulative. A compliment given too often feels cheap. A compliment given too quickly feels rehearsed. Spacing and timing matter more than you think. What to avoid? If you want your compliments to build trust instead of destroying it, avoid these traps. Over-complimenting looks like manipulation. Physical-only compliments feel shallow. Comparisons create insecurity. People don't remember the words. They remember the feeling of being genuinely seen. That's the psychology behind compliments that actually work. Share this with someone who needs it. Subscribe to Psych Lens and start seeing life through the lens of psychology.